Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Is there anything I can help you with?
Sorry in advance. Sir, the good I bought when you're only buying and selling it have just arrived. However, after I checked it, the item I found damage to the product. Then, what about the condition of this item? I want to ask for compensation for products damage.
If that's the case, maybe I should check the item first. Can you provide a short video about the detail of the damage you got to the product that our party sent?
Of course, maybe you should wait a moment while I shot a video and describe some of the damage to the products.
Of course, I will wait. Excuse me, sir. I have checked the video you sent again, and I is true that the product you bought did come from our store.
If it's like that, can I get my money back right?
Okay, if that's the case, I will transfer the money you have given to us again.
Well, then, thank you for the service your profit.
Yes, sir. You're welcome.